In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your bandwidth usage on Hostinger. Whether you're curious about your website's performance or you need to manage your resources effectively, understanding your bandwidth usage is crucial. Together, we'll go through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you have all the insights you need. To kick things off, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top of the page for the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page, where you'll enter your account credentials to access your hPanel. If you have numerous accounts or passwords, it's often helpful to have your information saved securely or a password manager handy to speed up this process. Once you've logged in, it's time to navigate to the hosting management area. Start by clicking on Websites from the dashboard options. Here, you should see a list of domains associated with your account. Locate the domain you're interested in monitoring and click on the Manage button next to it. Managing your domain through the hPanel gives you detailed insight and control over various aspects of your website. Now that you're in the Management section, our next destination is to locate the bandwidth usage details. As you scroll through the page, keep an eye out for sections labeled Usage or Resources Usage. Alternatively, if you're finding it hard to locate, you can use the search bar at the top of the hPanel to quickly find Resources Usage. Clicking on this section will give you access to detailed metrics and statistics about your website's performance. Upon entering the Resources Usage section, you'll be greeted with a wealth of information presented in both graphs and numeric details. Here, you can explore a breakdown of your daily and monthly bandwidth usage, allowing you to see how much data is being transferred from your server to your users. Equally important are the insights into CPU and RAM usage. These metrics can help you understand how your website is consuming server resources, which is key if you're noticing any performance issues or you're planning to scale your website. You'll also find details about I/O operations and entry processes, which can be useful for more in-depth performance analysis. And there you have it, a complete guide to checking your bandwidth usage on Hostinger. Keeping an eye on these statistics is a great way to ensure your website is running smoothly, and it can help guide any necessary adjustments to your hosting plan. Remember, being proactive with your resource management can help you avoid unexpected surprises, such as running out of bandwidth at a critical time. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Hostinger's support resources or communities for help. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your online presence effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time,